Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a ghost ping detector and logger since it was highly requested in the server by multiple members. So without further ado, let's go into the video.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
Alright, so first of all, we're gonna go to our index.js and we're gonna go to the message delete event, client.on message delete. Alright, so first of all, we want to check if there is someone got mentioned in the message. So if message dot mentions dot users dot first, alright, we want to do something. So we want to just create an embed. Okay, const embed equal new discord dot message embed. Alright, so, and then I wanted to set title ghost ping, and then the set description. I want to say here message.author ghost pinged, and then we're gonna put here message.mentions.users dot first. Alright, and then we're gonna just simply do message dot channel dot send embed. Let's forget to return here. Alright, let's test this out. Alright, no dot. Alright, looks good. So I'm gonna put here weirdo. Oops, weirdo. I probably left from my alt. So let me just ping the bot. Alright, here. So if I deleted this, as you can see, ghost ping, so I just ghost ping the bot basically. And if you want that it doesn't catch, like if I ping the bot it doesn't really do anything, so that's pretty easy. I'm gonna just go over here. If message.mentions.user first dot bot, we want to just return. Alright, so now it will not work if I ping the bot. So I'm gonna now ping the bot itself. Alright, and I'm going to delete it. As you can see, it didn't do anything. Alright, so right now, oops, we got an error. Oh, never mind that, that's from another thing. Alright, never mind that. It's from here. Alright, let me just do like this. So it's fine. Alright, don't worry. So now we want to just make the log. So I'm going to do const channel equal equal client dot channels dot cache dot get, and I'm gonna put here channel ID that I wonder gonna be logs. So I'm gonna put it over here, and then channel dot send embed as well. Alright, so that's it for this part. But what if someone actually edited the message? Alright, so let me demonstrate how this is gonna be. So basically, if I ping someone right now, let's say I don't know who, let's just say anyone. Alright, let's just, here's my test dummy. Alright, I'm gonna just delete it. It says ghost pinged. If I went to logs, as you can see, ghost ping. It's a logger right now. So now if someone did like this and then edited the message, alright, now the person got pinged, ghost pinged. So we don't want people to get like ghost ping like that. So that's actually pretty easy. We're gonna just copy this port. I'm gonna paste it over here in an event called message update. If you don't have it, just do it. It has two parameters, old message and new message. So basically, this is the old message. Now it's the new message. Alright. So I want to say if the old message here, old message has someone mentioned, and it is and if it is a bot return. So I'm gonna just put here, replace every single message by old message. Alright. Now if I did no dot, alright, let me just make it bigger. So I'm gonna just do what is it called again? Yeah, just ping someone, and then edit the message, and bam, ghost pinged. And now if I went to logs, as you can see, ghost pinged. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and to leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.